Hi, my name is Nick, and I'm going to show you how I installed this hairpiece from superhairpieces.com. So first off, I have a little workstation in my room. I have a little table and a mirror. All my hair stuff just stays right here. I have one of these silk bandanas down over the table just because it protects the hair, and it's better to just have it than resting on something silk or satin rather than like a wooden surface and the hair is just directly sitting on it. As you can see, this is a poly piece. It has 4 lace windows for breathability. I use daily tape. This tape can actually last up to 7 days, but I do like to take it off every 2 to 3 days just because I like to clean under there and let my scalp breathe. And also it is just really nice, taking your hair off and laying in bed and going to sleep with no hair on and not having to worry about messing up your hair. So let me just apply the tape and I will be right back. All right, I have all my tape applied. So I've been loving this piece. I do love the fact that I can have lace with poly just because lace doesn't really like tape and I only use tape, I don't use glue. So I still get the breathability of having lace here without having to have the struggle of trying to apply tape to lace because it really does not stick. I guess there are probably tapes that are made for lace, but generally the tapes that we use don't really like to stick to lace as much. So it is really nice not having to worry about that, but still getting the breathability of having lace windows in this. So I'm gonna take this off. So normally I would shave the top of my head and take out some of this regrowth that you can see here, but I am trying to grow in a little bit more right here and right here. This hair that's up top is really not going to affect how much it's sticking. And like I said, I do like to take it off every 2 to 3 days, so I'm not trying to wear this for a week, so I don't really need to worry. So I like to get it in my hand like this, and then I spray the tape with a little bit of this repositioning spray. This just allows it to not dry down, the tape to dry down as quickly, so that way you get a minute or two to reposition if you don't get it right in the right position right off the bat. It might be a little bit hard to do looking in a mirror, but I just like to stick the back down first. If I need to pull some hair out because it got stuck a little bit. And then here it is, all installed. I love that the lace gives me breathability. It's so easy to take off and put back on. I just take it off when I don't want to have it on my head anymore. I put it over on my mannequin head over there, and the style maintains. I mean, it takes about 5 to 10 minutes to back on, and it looks great. I'm very happy with it.